Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Roblox Emotes. It's super easy. First, open your chat window by pressing the / key. Then, simply type /e followed by the emote's name. For example, /ewave will make your character wave. Many basic emotes are available to all players right away, making communication fun and expressive. Want to discover more emotes? Just click the emote icon, usually found near your character's health bar, to open the emote menu. This shows you all the commands. You can also customize your character's emote wheel, allowing you to equip up to 8 of your favorite emotes for quick access during gameplay. Remember, some special emotes might require Robux or specific game passes. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And speaking of staying energized for those long Roblox sessions, why not grab an Oala water bottle? It's perfect for keeping you hydrated. You can find the link for your Oala bottle and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Emotes are fantastic for adding personality to your Roblox avatar. Try using them to celebrate a win, greet other players, or even roleplay within a game. Don't be afraid to experiment with different emotes and see how they fit various situations. Keep an eye out for new emotes too, as Roblox frequently updates its selection, giving you even more ways to express yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.